Greetings food lovers, and guess what? I have chicken, I have goat meat, I have onion, I have tomatoes, and I have red bell peppers. So what's next? It's stew, folks. So let's make this stew together. I'll be showing you a very unique way whereby despite the ingredients you will definitely achieve a delicious, wonderful, tasty, tantalizing stew. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. Once again, don't forget to click the like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Kachi. Just I'll tell you one reason why you have to stick by with my channel. Because in this channel, you'll be able to have complete control over whatever ingredients you're with and can customize your dish so you like it. Click that button and love you, and see you right in there. And these are my ingredients. Here we have tomatoes, we have bell peppers, we have tomatoes here already blended and cooked. So but this is still going to go through the same process to come out like this, okay, before we fry. So now I have goat meat here and I have chicken. I also have tomato skin here, tomato paste. I'll be mixing this up and cook together with this at the same time. Here we have onion, garlic and ginger, chili, basil, and here are my dried ingredients. Mix all together and blend them up and use it to steam cook this together. Whatever dried herbs you have, it's okay. If you don't even have, it's still okay. Just apply your salt and I said sugar. Your salt and no cube will be very enough, okay? So join me. Let's bring all this right in the pot. I love you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, folks. See ya. So in our pot, we add our meats. Goat meat goes in as well. Here we'll be blending together our dried ingredients. Here I have thyme, cumin seed, black pepper, oregano, white pepper, parsley. I'll be mixing it with salt and I'll be blending this up. And let's add this to our meat. Chicken stock. Blend ginger together with the garlic, chili right in here, and I'll be blending this up. Here we have our ginger, garlic, and chili blended. Now we have our onion and water. Let's combine this. Are we adding more water? Let's cover. Meanwhile, as this is cooking now, let's prepare our tomatoes and bell peppers. So what I'm going to do is to blend it up using the food processor and have to cook it to drain off the waters before I can fry it. I will deseed it. Okay, now let's blend our tomatoes and bell peppers. I'm using the food processor to do this. You can use your blender. Transfer it into the pot. Blend the second batch. Now let's cover and cook to drain off the water before we fry. So now let's check our chicken and goat meat. Our meat is softened enough. So now we have to fry. Take it off and fry, okay? Turn off the heat and scoop out the chicken. So we'll then fry our chicken and goat meat. And here is our stock. Now I'd like to add it. Now cook in low heat to drain off all the water inside. I have onions into 4 places and I'm split it. I added the onion inside so it should be flavorful. Remember, I'm going to use the oil to fry my tomatoes. Take it up. You can as well grill it. I normally like to grill it, but this time around I want to fry so I can use this oil to fry my stew. Immediately we'll go in my tomatoes. Keep frying until you get this texture. Now add a curry powder, sweet basil leaf, salt. Continue stirring or else it will get burnt. Begin to feel the sweet taste of the tomatoes. It's no longer tangy. That's when you know. You'll never go wrong frying your tomatoes very well. I will scoop out some of this for jollof rice. And I'll change my pot. I'll then add up our stock.